This how to 1 minute will show you how to write a Yelp review. Writing and submitting a review on Yelp is super easy process. First of all, launch Yelp and click here and sign into your Yelp account. Once done, click on write a review and now search for a location to find out the exact business for review. And now enter here the business category. I'm selecting restaurants. And now I need to find out the exact restaurant or business for review. So this is the restaurant I'm going to review now. So I'm clicking on it. And now, as you can see right now, I'm in the business or restaurant profile. Now I'm clicking on write a review. And here you will get the review form. All you have to do is select the star rating for your review and write here your review description. You can attach photos for your review by clicking on this plus icon and click on post review, and the review will be posted. That's how we can add a Yelp review. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.